We are back for another episode, and today we are talking about contingent sales, or what is a contingent sale. A contingent sale is when somebody has to sell a property in order to purchase. So depending on which side you're on, let's just say you're a seller and you've got an offer that comes through, it looks great, and then you find out, oh, it's contingent. It's contingent on the buyer selling their house. That is a little bit of a risk. If their house doesn't sell, they can't buy yours. Navigating that is super important to know before going into contract. And I've done a couple recently, and so it's definitely possible. So don't think it's, never gonna happen. Maybe you're under contract, or at least have all your ducks in a row. You've got photography, everything done. You can pitch that to them, and then it's not as big of a risk. So there's definitely things that you can do to make sure that you're ready, whether you're buying and have a contingent, or if you're on a seller side, knowing what you're getting into and researching that property. And having a good realtor will make sure that you're aware of the risks versus reward when it comes to contingent sales. If you liked this video or learned something, hit that like, subscribe. I appreciate it very much. Share if you'd like, but thanks for watching.